The birds fall from the sky like shooting stars. They orbit around the city like planets around their sun. They get affected by the movement of their fellow beings like mass gets affected by gravity. The blue sea with its light corals and black rocks, like bright stars and black holes in the vast ocean of space. They all resemble the dynamics of life, just like the fundamental forces do by creating the dynamics and forms of the universe. Life is existence, and existence is the universe becoming conscious of itself. Without consciousness, there is no existence at all, and therefore, this is the evidence. Every wave of energy, every atom, every subatomic particle shows its consciousness to us just by existing. As everything is transcending from one form to another, the only way to define an object as such, a living being, a person, is to measure it with time. Time is the measure of it all. Without time as a tool of measurement, the creation, flowing, and decay of the universe would fall into one single spot, the singularity, where there is no beginning, no ending, and none of the dimensions known to us. The only way to step out of the singularity is to be, to experience oneself by the creation of a perceived separation. It is fascinating that somehow common science has accepted the Big Bang as a simple fact, although the implications for our existence are it all. The fact that there was a Big Bang is the evidence that we are originating from the singularity, which is now capable of experiencing itself. And with life, it can observe itself through its eyes. And as it all is just about experiencing oneself, our lives should be about experiencing, living and accepting all facets of it. How we experience them is mainly our own choice. As we originate from the same source, we are all connected to each other. Each animal, each plant, each rock, each grain of dust started as one. And so we remain one, we are one. The separation is only the illusion. As Alan Watts said, you are something that the whole universe is doing at the place you are at, like the ocean is doing waves. You are not just a bag of flesh separated from the universe just by the thin layer of your epidermis. feeling of unity with the cosmos is the greatest gift I was allowed to be given in my lifetime. It might be hard to understand if you haven't experienced it yet, but I fell in love with the universe. As said by the philosopher Albert Camus, when I look at my life and its secret colors, I feel like bursting into tears. And so, discovering all the secrets of being lets me burst into tears. Tears of joy. I used to be a guy who was experiencing the world, and now I feel like the world and the universe experiencing a guy, Jim Carrey. When you want to experience the feeling of total unity, begin with finding out who you really are. Well, who are you? I don't mean who is the character you play like the actor of your life's movie, but who is the real you? Let out all the concepts and ideas that were attached to your human body, like your name, your nationality, your role in society, and so on. What's left? What stays with you? You will have to overcome the pain of losing your identity to come to that answer. The first stage of awakening. You will have to overcome some sort of spiritual crisis. If you master it, you might find yourself with the eyes of a newborn, of a child. Living and loving all the wonders of your existence. You will see that everything that happens has to happen as it does, and that love is the driving force of the universe. The universal love, giving room to all actors and all actions on the vast theater fabric of space-time. The all-containing drama of the universe experiencing itself.